G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I'm still on my search for the best fish and chips, and today's brought me to Wangari Town Centre. There's a joint here called Ocean Grill Seafood. It's got a 4-star Google star rating. So how about we go in and try their fish and chips and see what it's like and, well, compare it to the rest. Let's do it. Alright, well I found this wonderful looking park here around Wangari. So let's suss out this fish and chips. Whoa, gee, that looks nice. Now this fish and chips cost $10.90 and it's a piece of cod as well. Now he asked if I wanted chicken salt, which of course I said yes. So let's see what these chips are like. They look very cooked. Heaps of salt on them. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. What more do you want? They're pretty tasty. Wow. Now it is windy down here again today, so hopefully there's not too much noise in the microphone. Well, let's suss out this batter. Looks really nice and crispy. It tastes really crispy too. It's got an awesome greasiness about it as well. Oh, yum. Oh, that's good. That's just what I needed. Now let's suss out this fish. Now it is a piece of cod and it is a decent size as well. But that flesh looks really nice. It seems to be flaking away pretty nicely and it looks really tasty. That delicate cod flavour, not too strong, but it's quite moist, the fish, and it tastes really good. I need to try this all together. Now that piece of cod is pretty nice and big and thick. Oh man, that tastes really good. If anything, the fish is slightly dry, but I tell you what, there's so much oil and grease in that like battering, it just makes it taste so good. It'd be great after a big night out. And that batter is so crunchy and so nice together. It tastes so good. Oh man. Now I got 3 bits of lemon with this fish and chips. That's the first. And this piece of lemon looks like it's straight off the tree as well. A little bit of, well, colour in there still. But let's do the old lemon test. Oh, well I got a few seeds there straight off the bat. Not the juiciest lemon I've had either. Better get rid of those seeds before I start eating this. Oh. Wow, that's one of the most lemony bits of lemon that I've had. It tastes very lemony. But I prefer it on its own without any lemon at all. It just tastes good on its own. Now, like I said, it's got a 4-star Google rating, but I think it deserves more. The value for money is pretty good and it's a decent size meal. The chips are really good. The batter on this is fantastic. And the piece of cod is a decent size and it tastes really good. So for my Google star rating, I'm going to give it a 4.5 stars. I think it tastes really good, and compared to all the other ones, it's right up there with some of the better ones that I've had. So, after seeing this, will you be heading to Ocean Grill Seafoods at Wangari? If you do go there, tell them Greg sent you. They won't have a clue. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and enjoy the rest of this beautiful park on this hot autumn's day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fish and chip review. I'll see you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the